Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chip from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also Mataw reader. So ngayong hapon natatigyan natin ang gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is 7th Archangel's urgent message for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. And of course, so this is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angels messages, ano ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating pitong arkanghel for the sign of Cancer yan. There is a 4 of coin. Okay, sinasabi dito ng protect your power, protect your energy, na kailangan mo protection ng kung ano man kung ano man pinangahawakan mo ngayon, no? Kailangan mag-save ng pera, mag-ipon, magtabi, no? And because there's a 5 of wands, no? Baka magkaroon ka ng conflict or sinasabi ng disagreement or failures, sinasabi sa dito na kailangan mong panghawakan na maayos ang finances mo. Na marami, baka may makaaway ka dito, baka puntahan ka ng mga pinagkakautangan mo or lapitan ka ng mga taong mangungutang, gano'n. Kumbaga, mag-ingat kung paano mo isi-secure ang iyong finances. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. There's a final push, no? And of course, protect your power, protect your energy, protect your finances. And of course, there's a final push. And of course, there's Six of Swords. There's a transition na sinasabi sa'yo dito mukhang makakaalis ka na sa mga para makakalis ka na raw dito sa mga paghihirap mo, mga pinagdaanan mo. And of course, sa Palace of Wands, there's an responsibility and kumbaga, parang ito yung palasyo na parang punong-puno ng mga ginagawa, ganon. Kumbaga, obligations. And of course, there's an 8 of Wands, there's a lot of messages. And of course, there's a past communication coming in for you. What is the 4 of coin? Okay, there's a 6 of coin. Wow. There's a give and take, no? Magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances mo. Kaya, secure mo ng maayos. So, what is the 5 of wands? What is the 5 of wands? There's a queen of coin na being practical and of course, there's an happiness coming in for you. Kumbaga, marami kang competitor, marami naiinggit sa inyong pamilya at marami naiinggit sa iyo. Diba? Kumbaga, maraming, against sa iyo. No? Kasi masaya kayo, ganito, ganyan, inggit, tera. And of course, there is a Knight of Swords, no? There's an anxiety, deception, and stress, no? Some of you maaaring, konti na lang, makakaalis ka na dyan sa eksena na yan. What is the 6 of Swords? There's a faith, no? There's a leap of faith. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress. Magtiwala ka in God will. And of course, there's King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Kumbaga may taong tutulong sa'yo para makaalis ka sa sitwasyon. Or kailangan mong magtiwala sa person mo. So what is the Palace of Wands? And of course, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded, no? Kumbaga, you are responsible sa lahat ng obligations. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan tama yung ginagawa mong obligation na yan, di ba? Kumbaga, makakabuti talaga yan sa'yo. So, what is the 8 of Wands? What is the 8 of Wands? There is a devil card. So, there's a negativity na ibinabato sa'yo. There's a toxicities na sa paligid mo. Let's see what is additional messages. 4 of coin, and of course, the 6 of coin. Let's see, what is the messages for you? There's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. Itong offer na about sa finances na magtutuloy-tuloy talaga, ha? What is the 5 of Wands, the Queen of Coin, and of course, the 10 of Cups? So, there's a 3 of Cups. There's a celebration. So, there's a third party or there's a friend, no, na naiinggit sa iyo behind your back. At the same time, na kailangan mo maging aware, no? There's a happiness coming in for you. Maging practical ka lang kasi may mga taong lalapit sa iyo para siraan ka, para makipag-compete sa iyo. So, mag-ingat. So, what is the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords? So, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Magtatagumpay ka na raw dito sa larangan ng ginagawa mo. Sa negosyo at trabaho, hanap buhay yan. What is the Six of Swords and the Three? And of course, the King of Cups. Oh my God. Okay, thank you. Okay, sinasabi, there is a tower moment. There is a sudden changes, no? Kumbaga, there's a reveal, no? Maaaring mabuo ulit yung mga bagay na nasira for you, or there is information na kailangan mo ng alisin, or may mga bagay na nasira na kailangan mo ng baguhin. So, what is the Palace of Wands? And of course, there's an Emperor. There's a judgment, there's some awakening or red flag or a wake-up call sa'yo, no? Na maging mature ka na. Kasi yung mga tao na yan sa paligid mo, after mo matulungan, di ba? Tinulungan mo pagdating ng araw na ikaw na'y nangangailangan, hindi na yan malapitan, di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan alam mo yung mga taong tinutulungan mo, di ba? Kumbaga dapat magbigyan mo ng limitasyon para rin sa sarili mo. Kasi some of you guys, may mga pinagdaanan dito about sa family issues, no? Pagkatapos mo tulungan mapagtapos at pagkatapos mo mapag-aral or something na matulungan, financial and emotional, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga tinraidor ka at siniraan ka pa rin at the end of the time. So, kailangan mo maging aware and conscious sa lahat ng sa paligid mo. What is the Eight of Wands and the Devil card? There's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Diba? Kumbaga, there's a messages by your intuition, by vibrations, by your by dreams, na may mga bagay na ipinapakita sa iyo na there's a devil or toxicities. No, there's a toxic family, toxic friends, or toxic relationship. There's a toxicities dito na involved. So what is additional messages for overall? Para malaman natin what is the overall. There's a Two of Wands. There's a decision that you need to make na kailangan mo magdesisyon. And of course, the Queen of Swords. No, nakikita mo na yung kahihinat na nito. No, there's a bigger feature of yourself na nakikita mo na ganun ang mangyayari. No, maging mauta ka na. And of course, there's a Page of Wands, there's a good news coming in for you, na sinasabi ko to sa'yo guys, makinig ka, bago pa dumating o humantong sa eksena na to, makinig ka na. And of course, there's a Knight of Coins na be secure and of course, be practical and logic pagdating sa finances, no? Mag-savings ka, hindi masamang tumulong, hindi masamang, kumbaga magbigay ng kahit papano, diba? Wag mo lang gawing responsibilidad yan. Kasi, malulog mo ka dyan sa eksena na at the end of the time, kapag sila okay na ikaw nandok sa sitwasyon na yon, hindi mo sila malalapitan. I guaranteed with you that. So, pinaka-outcome is, there's a Justice card, there's a balance, no? Kumbaga, there's a good and bad energy na mangyayari. Kumbaga, may good karma and bad karma. So, there's a good part na may hustisya, diba? Sa likod ng eksena. So, and of course, so what is additional messages for this Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Okay. And of course, there is a vanity and pride, no? There is a pride and ego. And of course, there's an assistance, no? May gumagabay sa'yo. And of course, there's a twin flame energy. Taray. Diba? So, what is additional messages for Love Oracle card? There's the sunglasses, diba? Some of you, pinagtitinginan, pinagchichismisan, watching, stalking, no? May mga taong sumusubaybay sa'yo. And of course, there's a mask, no? Kumbaga may nagbabackstab sa'yo at mayroon ditong kaharap mo. Mabuti kapag katalikod mo. Demonyo. Diba? Ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na mag-ingat ka sa mga taong, kumbaga impostor. What is Romance Angels? Worth waiting for. See, di ba? Divine timing and is at work in your love life. So, ibig sabihin, some of you consider yan, kung may mga bagay na mabot sa love life, mas maganda mag-antay kaysa maghanap. Di ba? Antayin mo yung darating. Kasi mas maganda yung darating with God purpose, no? Yung binigay sa iyo ni God kaysa yung yung gusto mo lang kasi ganito ganyan, nalulungkot ka. 'Di ba? Bakit ganito na pag-iwanan ka na ganun talaga ti. Kung para sa iyo, kumalma ka. Ikalma mo, and there's an envy, no? Some of you may egos talaga, no? Yung parang Yung parang yung kumbaga, may emote, diba? Ayun yung naghahatak ng negative energy. And of course, there's a magician in the mirror. See, there's a reflection and of course, there's a manipulator. Kung ano man yung ginawa mo, siya tong babalik sa'yo. So, let's see. Ganon din yung mga taong nasa paligid mo, no? Kung may mga tao sa paligid mo nagiwang ka ng hindi maganda, diba? Be it. Hayaan mo sila. T. At the end of the time, pag nakita mo sila, T, binalikan na. Diba? Binalikan na ng karma. At the end of the, and of course, there's an abundance. May magandang mangyayari sa'yo in the near future. No? Kung baga makakamtan mo at mararamdaman mo ang buhay na nakalaan para sa'yo. What is the angel spirit messages? And there's a bathroom cleansing. So, kailangan mo daw mag-cleansing, ha? There's a negativity. And of course, there's a food, there's a nourish and health. Kailangan mo na masusustansyan pagkain like fruits and vegetables. Ano? What is the chakra? Chakra, there's a workaholic. Some of you mahilig sa alak. Ay, hindi pala sa alak. Mahilig sa trabaho, no? Masyadong ginugugol yung sarili mo sa trabaho. Kahit pagod na, inilalaban pa rin. No, and there's a joy. Magiging masaya ka dito. Magiging maligaya ka dito at the end of the time. What is the Monsology? Hold your vision. Tama yung hinala mo, T. And you are good enough. Sapat ka naman daw. And of course, a time for healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspects. Financial, career, health, and love life. Healing in all aspects. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Okay. You created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa sarili mo sa sitwasyon na yan. Ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. Innocent, no? Minsan inosente ka, minsan wala kang kaalam-alam sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Lalo-lalo na yun sa paligid mo. Hindi mo alam, 'di ba? Binubudol ka na, hindi mo alam, niloloko ka na, hindi mo alam. Kumbaga, pinapaikot ka lang, 'di ba? May mga ganyang eksena. And of course, there's a favorable outcome, 'di ba? Papabor naman sa iyo eksena. Tulad ng sinabi ko, 'di ba? Kumbaga, there's a mask, 'di ba? There's a mask. And of course, there's a sunglasses. Kumbaga, merong sumusubaybay sa iyo na impostor. Kaya inosente ka, wala kang kaalam-alam, sinusubaybayan ka, pinagmamasdan ka, nakakausap mo, pinagloloko ka, ibaldog mo. Charis! What is additional messages? So let's see, what is additional messages? There's a family, see? Ingit sa pamilya, or some of you related sa pamilya din. Diba? And of course, there is a trouble. There's a lot of gala, no? Maraming gala, maraming gana. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes, angel spirit guides? Do shall love the Lord, your God, with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. So, ibig sabihin dito, mahalin mo lang daw yung ginagawa mo tulad ng pagmamahal mo kay God. No? Ng taong pusong pagmamahal sa salita, sa kaluluwa, at sa lahat ng katangiang pinaggagawa mo. Kailangan, kung magagawin mong sentro si God, no? Mahalin mo yan with transparency, with loyal and faith, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na yan, makukuha mo yan at the end of the time. There's a bounce back. What is angel's number? And because there's a 10-10, I am patient, no? Kumbaga maging mahaba ang pasensya mo sa lahat ng bagay. May mga bagay na makukuha ka, may mga bagay na hindi. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga always think positive, no? Huwag ka nagbibigay dito na or nag-a-attract ng negativity. Keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything you're working out of your highest good. Trust that your angels are working behind the scene to help you. See? Kumbaga, habain mo lang daw yung pasensya mo, 'di ba? Kumbaga may mga bagay na nangyayari na at may mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. Wag ka daw mag-alala na gumagawa na raw ng paraan ng ating angel spirit para tulungan ka sa iyong situation. So some of you guys, kung may mga pinagdadaanan diyan, laban lang kasi at the end of the time mangyayari yung ang dapat mangyari at tutulungan tayo ng etang angel spirit na ating Panginoon at ating pitong arkanghel. And of course, sinasabi dito, I welcome. So, ibig sabihin na welcome ka na ni God at pinapalakpakan ka na maaaring makuha mo na at makita mo na what you deserve. So, let's see. What is the messages for messages of life? I welcome life at isn't present itself to me. Today, I take each step on my path of my fulfillment with good faith. I swim easily with the flow of life. I embrace all experiences that universe and bent thousand me. Even those that may prove challenging, I know all will fall into place for my greater good. So, ibig sabihin talaga na parang natututunan mo at nalalaman mo na may mga bagay talaga sa mundo o sa ating ginagalawan na may makukuha tayo at may mga bagay na hindi natin makukuha. So, may mga bagay na ibibigay at pagkakaloob ni God in perfect timing. So, guys, this is Seventh Archangel's urgent message for the sign of Cancerian. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!